Welcome to How to Apply Instant Shudder Fixx by Lubegard, the #1 solution for professionals. Let's take a look. Lubegard's Instant Shudder Fixx is a concentrated friction modifier formulated specifically for eliminating low-speed frictional problems like torque converter shudder. As transmissions age, the lock-up torque converter ability to transfer torque smoothly can decline and OEM additives deplete. This can cause a torque converter shudder problem that is either fluid-related or mechanically related. Using Lubegard's Instant Shudder Fixx will quickly reveal the type of shudder problem you have, and it provides an additive solution to your transmission's depleted ATF. First, locate the transmission dipstick or the transmission fluid fill port. Use a pair of scissors or snips to cut open the tube, and then use a funnel to help pour the Instant Shudder Fixx into the transmission. It's that simple, it's that instant, and you're all set. Instant Shudder Fixx will work in all makes and models except for Ford Type F, CVT, and dual clutch transmissions. Be sure to check your owner's manual for more information. Instant Shudder Fixx will treat up to a 10-quart system with just one 2-ounce tube. A maximum of 2 tubes can be used safely in all vehicles. Instant Shudder Fixx usually works instantly, as the name implies, but can take up to 20 miles or more in severe cases. If the shudder problem goes away, your problem was fluid-related, and Shudder Fixx will work as a temporary fix. If it doesn't solve the shudder problem, you may have a mechanical problem with the torque converter. Use our ATF protectants, specifically the red bottle with LXE technology or Lubegard Platinum as a longer-lasting solution. For more product information, SDS sheets, or for where to purchase this product, head over to our website at www.lubegard.com or send us a message direct at contact@lubegard.com.